Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am here with another Chinese dual dash camera, which is full HD camera with having front and inside view, which will be good for the ride sharing Uber and the other drivers, taxi drivers. So let's see what's inside the box, how does it works, and I will show you the performance also. Let's see what's inside the box. So these are the specifications. So this is the dash cam. Yeah, looks pretty cool. And this is another camera which you can attach for inside view, which will be good for the taxi and Uber drivers. And this is to stick this dual dash camera on your glass screen, and this is the charger, so it is pretty much cool. And this is a small booklet for the manual. So this is pretty much inside the box, which is this is the dash camera plus charging stand, and this is the inside camera, and plus this is the charger with the booklet also, which is in Chinese. I think it will be in the English also. So this is the camera, and this is the front camera, full HD, and this is the inside camera. So it will go here just like that, and then this connection will be on the top. So it will go, and now this is the inside camera, which you can tilt to get the better view of inside the car. And on the other side, this is the front side. So on the top, so this will be the stand with the 3M tape, so it will go on the top. So it will go like here, and you can stick to the windscreen. This is the daytime view, and as you can see, the picture is quite clear. So this is the night view of the camera. It's totally dark street, and as you can see on the right side, it is showing me the inside view. So this is the view of the main road with the good street lights. So as you can see, the video is very clear. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch other videos relating to some other Chinese dual dash cameras. Thanks.